Hello friends, good morning everyone. Welcome to Educational Wing. Let's fly with success. Today is 4 October 2020. This is our current affairs session. I am Sujit Kumar Mishra, your friend and mentor here to discuss and analyze today's current affairs. It is very much helpful for all competitive examination. So try to watch the session till end for your better knowledge and preparation. And one thing, those who first visit Educational Wing, please subscribe the channel for the further updates. Okay, let's proceed towards today's session. This was our previous three question. Our first question was, who is appointed as the brand ambassador of Bengal Peerless? Sachin Tendulkar, Virat Kohli, Saurabh Ganguly. Option D, none of these. The correct answer here is Saurabh Ganguly. Option C is correct here. Recently, the Kolkata-based real estate developer Bengal Peerless Housing Development Company Limited has appointed the president of BCCI Saurabh Ganguly as its brand ambassador. Okay, recently Saurabh Ganguly is the president of BCCI. Okay, our second question was, IBE Note, a green initiative, is launched by which bank? Indian Bank, HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank, or option D, SBI Bank? SBI, State Bank of India. The correct answer here is option A, Indian Bank. Recently, Indian Bank has launched a green initiative named IBE Note. IBE Note to enable a total paperless working environment. Enable a total paperless working environment. Okay, and Indian Bank is in use. So the headquarter of the Indian Bank is situated in Chennai, Tamil Nadu, and MD and CEO of Indian Bank is Padmaja Chunduru. Padmaja Chunduru is the MD and CEO of Indian Bank. I hope you got the facts also now. So proceed towards today's first question. First question of the today's session is, which state has launched Pathasri Abhijan scheme for road repair? Odisha, West Bengal, Andhra Pradesh, Haryana. The correct answer here is option B, West Bengal. Recently, West Bengal government has launched the Pathasri Abhijan scheme. It is a road repair scheme. Okay, it is a road repair scheme. West Bengal is in news. The capital of West Bengal is Kolkata. Chief Minister is Mamata Banerjee. You can see the image of Chief Minister of West Bengal here, Mamata Banerjee, and Jagdeep Dhankar is the governor of West Bengal. Okay, I hope you got the facts also now. Next question. Who has launched Tribal Entrepreneurship Development Program? Narendra Modi, Arjun Munda, Prakash Javadekar, option D, Amit Shah. The correct answer here is Arjun Munda. Option B is correct here. Union Minister of Tribal Affairs is Arjun Munda. Recently launched the Tribal Entrepreneurship Development Program. You can see the image of Arjun Munda here. Okay, Tribal Entrepreneurship Development Program. Next question. Bongo Sagar, the bilateral naval exercise between India and which country recently started? Bangladesh, Japan, Australia, option D, Sri Lanka. The correct answer here is option A, Bangladesh. Recently, the second edition of Indian Navy and Bangladesh Navy's bilateral exercise Bongo Sagar started in northern Bay of Bengal. It is started in Bay of Bengal. Okay, it is started in Bay of Bengal. Bangladesh is in news. The capital is Dhaka. Currency is Taka. Chief Minister is Sheikh Hasina, and Abdullah Hamid is the president of Bangladesh. Okay, I hope you got the answer now. Next question. Where is the Indian Coast Guard vessel Kanaklata Barua started? Chennai, Visakhapatnam, Kolkata, or option D, Mumbai? The correct answer here is Kolkata, from Kolkata. Okay, the Indian Coast Guard vessel Kanaklata Barua was commissioned at Kolkata. Remember, it is a fast patrol vessel. It is a fast patrol vessel, FPV. It is FPV, fast patrol vessels. Okay. Next question. Which state has launched a portal, Kritakyata, an online pension submission and tracking system? Assam, Madhya Pradesh, Goa, option D, Meghalaya. Can you guess the answer here? The correct answer here is option A, Assam. Recently, the Chief Minister of Assam has launched a portal Kritagyata, an online pension submission and tracking system. Okay, you can see the image of the Chief Minister of Assam, the Sarbanand Sonowal here. The capital of Assam is Dispur. Chief Minister is Sarbanand Sonowal, and Jagdish Mukhi is the governor of Assam. Don't confuse. Jagdeep Dhankar is the governor of West Bengal, but Jagdish Mukhi is the governor of Assam. Okay. Question number 6. Who has developed an RT-PCR kit which give result in 2 hours? Sorry, it is repeat 2 times. Who has developed an RT-PCR kit which give results in 2 hours? Reliance, Tata Group, ICMR, option D, CSIR. The correct answer here is option A, Reliance. Recently, Reliance Life Sciences has developed an RT-PCR kit that promises the diagnosis of COVID-19 infection in about only 2 hours. It give the result in only 2 hours. Okay, so the correct answer here is Reliance Life Science. Okay. Question number 7. Who is appointed as new Labour Secretary? Hiralal Samaria, Apurva Chandra, Mahesh Kumar, option D, none of these. The correct answer here is Apurva Chandra. Option B is correct here. Apurva Chandra is the new Labour Secretary of the Union Government, a 1988 batch IS officer of Maharashtra cadre. Okay, and the Apurva Chandra replaced Hiralal Samaria. He replaced Hiralal Samaria, and recently the new Labour Secretary of Union Government. Okay, you can see the image of Apurva Chandra also here. New Labour Secretary of Union Government. Okay. Next question. Tesla plans to India entry in which year? 2021, 2022, 2023 or 2024? The correct answer here is 2021. Option A is correct here. Remember, the Tesla Group, Tesla's co-founder and the chief executive Elon Musk recently said that the California-based electric vehicles and clean energy company will enter the Indian market in 2021. Okay. Next question. Which central jail has launched radio prison? Delhi, Sabarmati, Mumbai, option D, none of these. The correct answer here is Sabarmati Central Jail. Option B is correct. Remember, this question is very much important in exam perspective view. It may be asked. In Sabarmati Central Jail in Ahmedabad has launched the radio prison on the occasion of 151 birthday anniversary or the birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi. 150, this year it is the 151 birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi. So radio prison is launched in Sabarmati. Next question. Who is appointed as the director of Indigo Airlines? Chris Sariska, Navin Jain, Rakesh Kumar, option D, none of these. The correct answer here is Greg Sariska. Option A is correct here. Greg Sariska, the former CEO of Canadian Airlines, has appointed as the director of recently Indigo Airlines. You can see the image of Greg here. I hope you got the answer now. As per you know, this is our question of the day, and you have to give the answer in our comment section, and we will discuss this answer in our upcoming session. Our first question is Vijay Pradhan appointed as Chief Secretary of which state? Our second question is who has inaugurated the Vaibhav Summit? Please try to answer more in comment section, thereby a regular practice is done by you. Okay, and if you like the session, then you can share it in your educational related group, thereby many students got help. Thank you for watching this session. Please like, subscribe and share as much as you can, thereby many students got help. And those who first visit educational link, please subscribe the channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thereby you can get the notification very fast. Thank you. Have a great day.